Hello everyone and welcome back to Yuvan's tech tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to delete Pinterest account. It is a very simple and easy step, so stick with me till the end and you will be good to go. So first of all, what you have to do is simply go to Pinterest application. Open your Pinterest application and you will be sent to a home page. Now all you have to do is at the bottom right corner you will see a profile icon. Simply tap on your profile icon and you will be sent to your profile page. Now what you have to do is simply tap on the three dot icon at the top right corner of the screen. Simply tap on the three dot icon and now what you have to do is simply go to the settings option. Now all you have to do is tap this second option that is called account management. Simply tap on it and you will be sent to this page. Now what you have to do is simply tap on this deactivate account option. So tap on deactivate account option and now what you have to do is tap on continue and your Pinterest account will be deleted. So there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Comment down your thoughts and until then, goodbye.